And welcome back to our new video, and in this video we'll talk about how to monetize your TikTok account in this big 2026. For that, you need to make sure that you have got more than 10,000 followers and your account must be older than 30 days. And the other thing, how you can get paid. And there are also many ways that you can get paid from TikTok, and these are the programs that could monetize me. And you can also make money from live rewards. Just go inside your live and people will send you so many gifts, and you can change that gifts with the actual money, and that is how you can make money from TikTok in this big 2026. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.